Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2021 Seat Ateca SE technology. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 41 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 18 and this is a one owner vehicle with full service history. This particular colour is the metallic black magic and looks in great condition for the mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior. The seats are in great condition there as well. If we look at the mileage there, it shows just over 40,000 miles. A few other features like I mentioned, the car comes with the large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation and DAB radio with Bluetooth for your phone. You have cruise control on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. And then on the driver's door card, you then have your electric folding mirrors and full window controls. The Ateca is a great car for the family, so lots of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And rear passengers also have their own air vents there in the centre, as well as 2 charging ports. And it's good to see that the car's got the original carpet floor mats from Seat as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've got some extra storage there, as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights and headlights, front and rear parking sensors, and the 18-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you would like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.